Hello, welcome to what I suppose will be my first video ever, I guess. So today I'm gonna do a simple tutorial for some of y'all, which I know some of y'all are really gonna need, and I can find a very good explanation that didn't have errors in them. So I'm gonna try to do my best to fix one for you right now. So your problem, right? It is that let me just open it. Your little no editor restrictions, you downloaded that, you got it, and it isn't working, right? Because this file that they have is made for every build up to 2802. The current 5M build, however, is 2944, so it isn't compatible. That's what we're gonna fix today, though. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, you're gonna need three things. You're gonna need Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code, but Visual Studio. You're gonna need a program called Resource Hacker, and you're also gonna need the no editor restrictions, obviously. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to your desktop here. You're gonna click or whatever you want to save this. You're gonna click right here, and you're gonna take. Before you do this, you want to make sure you go into your file manager, and you're gonna press up here, and you're gonna press view, and then you're gonna press file name extensions. This is very important because you're gonna need this. So just enable that, make sure it's checked, and you can go back to your desktop. So while on your desktop, you gonna make a file that is named fx underscore asi underscore build and .rc. So every lowercase and just like this. I'm gonna paste it into the description too. So just like this, and what we're gonna do is we are gonna open this file with Notepad++, which I forgot to mention, but you need Notepad++ too. When in Notepad++, what you're gonna type is exactly how I do it. fx underscore asi underscore build 2944 and then dummy.txt. Now 2944, that's the current build of 5M when I'm recording this video. Now you could change this to your build of 5M, whatever that might be. So you go ahead, and then what I want you to do, which a lot of tutorials don't mention, is you're gonna go to encoding, right? And you're gonna press convert to UTF-8 and then boom. All right. Then you can press Control S or go up here and press save, and then you should be done with that. Now it should look like this on your Windows desktop. Now before you do anything else, you're gonna create an empty text file. So it's gonna be dummy, and then you don't have to add txt if you create a text file because it's already gonna be a txt file. After that, what you're gonna do is, once you have Visual Studio, you're gonna press open with Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 or whatever version you may have. Now once it's open, you're gonna see that you have the owning file, which is fxasi build, and you have the file or the child file, which is gonna be 2944. Now if that is how it looks for you, you should be good to press save fxasi build as, and then you press 32-bit resource.res, and you save it wherever you like to save it. For the purpose of this, I'm going to save it just right at my desktop. It doesn't really matter. Now save that, and it should show up right here on your desktop as fx underscore asi underscore build.res. Now what you're gonna do next is you're gonna open up Resource Hacker, which also is gonna be linked in the description. You're gonna press open, and from here you're gonna go either if you have your no editor restrictions saved like in the download folder, or I have it as in my plugins already. So I'm gonna go this PC, Windows Drive, users, Noah or whatever your name might be, and app data local. Now this is very important. If you don't see app data here, you gotta press view up here, and you gotta come up to Well, alright, so you gotta open up File Manager again, and you're gonna press View again, and you gotta make sure that you have your hidden items enabled, which I'm guessing you have if you are watching this video. Then you go into your FiveM or your editor restrictions again. You press down here, all files, and you should see your no editor restrictions.ini and ASI. You want to open up no editor restrictions.asi, and you can see I already have the build right here. But if you don't have it, which well, if you're watching this video, you're not gonna have it. You're gonna press Action, and you're gonna press Add from a resource, right? What you're gonna do then is you're gonna double press this, open, and if it shows up like this with this little number and 2944, doesn't have to be this number, fx_ACI build, you're in the rights. Oh, oops, now I did something stupid. But then you're gonna go up here, and if you did everything right, this save button shouldn't be grayed out, and you press that. Now this this resource or ASI should save where you saved yours. So as you can see now, it didn't save for me, clearly because I didn't save. But if I would save it, it would come up as a little file named no editor restrictions -original. Now before you do anything, you delete the one that is named -original, delete that completely, and now you're gonna have it. So as you can see, once I boot into FiveM, which will take a minute, so I'll be back. You can see I'm in editor Rockstar editor in FiveM, and I can open any clip I want. What this no editor restrictions was, I'm guessing you knew, it also does. It does so you don't have that red bubble, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And also, if you record first-person clips in FiveM, you're going to be able to move around, like with the camera and everything. So let's open up this clip right here and see if it helps. So as you can see, we're now in the Rockstar editor, so we can have free camera, and usually about, I'd say right here, it's gonna be a red bubble, so you can't really move as far as you want. But as you can see, from the little like no editor restrictions, you can move however far you want. Basically, I could be, I guess, on the other side of the city and still have it working like this. So yeah, that's what it's gonna do. You can see I have no restrictions on how far I can go. If you have any problems, please feel free to comment them below, and I'll try to answer your questions to the best of my ability. Peace out.